Okay, welcome back. It is day 195 of coding every day, closing in on day 200. Um, so today, was back in the lab, per usual. Um, got a good amount of work done today, I won't lie. Um, Maybe I'll show you over the weekend, but again, I don't know if I can show you, but um, yeah, I worked mostly on the Unity like environment. I got it to get so I have the three sensors that I really wanted set up in the environment are set up. So there's like motion detection, there's temperature, whatever you can do for temperature in a digital environment, and light control. And so I have those three like connected, and the big thing was MQTT, which is like a like protocol thing, like communication service. Um, I got that like pretty much fully set up. I have like a server just running on localhost, and every single sensor in the smart home, the digital smart home, is able to send data. Right now, I have it like on like a loop for like temperature and lights. Like it'll send the intensity of the light or the current temperature to like a broker, and then anything that is subscribed to like the lights or the temperature like needs that information. Once the broker gets that information, it sends it out to them. So the thing I have set up right now is the lights are subscribed to motion. So when I walk into a room and in Unity, I just have like a collider at the doorway. When I hit that collider, it then sends a message to the broker saying, "Hey, someone walked into this room." And then the lights get the same message of someone walked into the room. And then it can say, "Oh, someone walked into the main room, turn the lights on in there." Um, so, so yeah, so pretty cool. And then next step is kind of seeing if I can get a simulation going of automatic movement in the room and simulate like days and timestamps and get like time series data, um, and program like sort of a rough random routine and then train a CNN, not CNN, an RNN on that for like time series, and then see if I can predict a routine. So that's where I'm at for the research. As for what I coded behind me right now, it was elite code, pretty simple one. It was just given a string, return it in its frequencies, like going down. So, um, if there's five R's and three S's, you want it to be whatever. You can read the question. So it's just making a frequency dictionary. And then I was trying to get like those dense lines where people just do everything in one line in Python, but I did my best. I couldn't get the return. I know you can do that return statement in one line, but I'll have to look it up after. That lambda thing I did have to look up. I always mess up the lambda thing, for the for whenever I have a dictionary and it's like I want to sort it by one of the values in like either the key or the value. I always forget that it's like lambda key is equal to lambda x or whatever. So, but yeah, that is all I have for today. I will see you tomorrow for day 196, Friday. Yeah, take care.